Hey guys, Ken here. Just thought I'd pop in real quick to do this short video. It's actually an unboxing, got an Amazon package, but I'll give you a little hint. It's not postcards. Okay, let's find out what it is. I'm going to just use my little cutter here, and we'll just go along there and go along here. I got to replace the blade there, and then we'll just cut along the center. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see what's inside. So excited. Okay, I got two things in here. All right, I think that's it. Yep, that's all. Okay, what do we start with first? This is a Pro 3.5 millimeter mic adapter. Okay, now this is an adapter specifically designed for GoPro cameras. You know, I did a video once a little while ago. I told you that I was going to be switching over to my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Well, I wanted to try to improve the audio, and I found out that with the GoPro, unfortunately, you have to have this little doohickey right here. This is a mic adapter. This is the only way that you can get quality audio from a external microphone. I've got a Rhodes external microphone. I think it's called a mini mic. And it plugs into, this part plugs into the GoPro, and also the port plugs, the cord plugs into the port on the GoPro for the microphone as well. I think it was about $30 or $40. So we're going to be hooking that up on the next video that I do with my GoPro, and we'll see how that sounds. Okay, now this is what I'm very excited about. This is a, what is it? What's the brand name? Rino. Rino. This is a fill light. This is a flat panel fill light. And I'm very excited about this because I know the light in here isn't all that great. Okay, I've got one external light over here that kind of bounces into the ceiling. But, I mean, this light you're seeing me on today isn't bad, you know. But I always wanted to replace the fill light because I had a fill light here that was a little smaller here before. You know, I had one before, and it worked for about 2 months, and then it quit. And it just quit working completely. So let me see if I can open this, because I want to show you guys the actual light itself. And I'm looking for the flap here. Ah, here it is. There it is. I can get it kind of tight. There we go. Okay. This is well boxed. Okay. Still work. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Kind of like a fold over box. They give you this little pamphlet right here, and here's the instruction manual. It just says soft light on it, and here is the light, guys. This is amazing. Let's see, where can I put that? Put that off there for a second. Comes in this nice plastic protective thing, and this is the light itself, guys, right here. This is a flat panel light. I'm not sure how many inches that is, but that's it right there. And here's the back. Well, let me see if it's got any kind of a charge on it at all. Sometimes they have a little bit of a charge. They want you to charge it up full. But let me turn it on. Oh, yeah. Cool. Here's the back of it right there. And see, it has these controls for, let's see. Yeah, how much percentage of light you want. So if I turn this control, I'm going to put it on my face here. Well, let's put it on my face. And as you turn it, the light gets brighter. This is the percentage of light that actually can light the subject. See what I mean? Yeah. And then you can control that. And then also it has the color temperature. Right now it's at 3200 Kelvin. Kelvin is a scale on which they measure light. The lower the Kelvin light, the warmer the light, the higher the number, the brighter, or the bluer the light. Okay, so we're going to try and mess with that a little bit. Yeah, okay. Now, right now it's 3200 Kelvin. Okay, that's the lowest it'll go. And if I turn it, you can see the dial's changing. And then it goes to a cooler light. This is more of a white light. Okay, this is a good way to show you the light. Here's the percentage again. See how it gets so much brighter? So much brighter. It gets really bright. Oh, I'm in a fog. And that's at 100% right there. And this shows the battery power too, which is really cool. And then you can bring it back down. And as you adjust it, see, it drops right there. And you can bring it back down to 9%, 8%. Okay, and then this is, say, here's it, like, right now, this is like 5%. See, it gets cooler and it gets warmer. So if I wanted a really warm light on me, like this, I'm just holding it up. See? Or if I wanted a really cool light, I just go to 5600K, and there's the fill light for that. And then, of course, I can increase the brightness. If I'm not happy with the brightness, I can just increase the brightness. It's going to be so much better. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So I just wanted to share that with you because I'm going to hook that up. But this is the little tabletop stand, I guess. Just to give it, I may or may not use this because I think I do have a tripod with a 1/4-inch screw. And yeah, this is the little tabletop stand it comes with. And just get that out of the plastic. Yeah, it's a little cute. See, it's got a 1/4-inch screw on the top where you can attach it, and then you open the legs here. You like that? And it's just a little, and I don't know if this adjusts. Let me see if I loosen this. No, that doesn't. Yeah, it does. It comes up a little bit. So it's not much. It's just a tabletop stand, you know. Not very tall. But hey, they give it to you for free. But I think, like I said, I think I do have a tripod downstairs that has something like that I'll be able to hook the light to and use it for that. But I'm just very excited about this, guys, because I've been needing a fill light. See, as you can tell, the light, the shadow on my eyes, that's because, you know, the light is bouncing up and coming back down. And it's most of it's hitting me in the face, but not all of it. That's why we need to, let's turn this at 20% and let's keep it warm. See the difference here? See, look, I'm going to take this away. That would be the natural light on my face. I'm getting a little spill light here. Turn that away. That would be the natural room light on my face, and that's the way my videos were showing, and it was actually a little bit worse this way. But now I've got this fill light, and I can put it like off to one side like that, or I can put it over here, you know, just, or I can fill in all the shadows in the front. Just so much better. So much better. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. I just hope it lasts. I mean, the last one I had was a little smaller than this, and it just, it lasted 2 months and then it quit. It just wouldn't even recharge. I thought maybe it was the cable. I tried putting a new cable with it, plugged it in, nothing. It was just done. It was at that point it was a paperweight. But I'm just so excited about this and the new microphone. I can't obviously demonstrate how the mic quality is because I haven't hooked up. This goes to my GoPro. So hopefully on the next video that I do for you guys, I'm going to have everything hooked up. I'm going to have some fun, play around with this stuff. And I know it's going to be a much better quality video. That way I can provide better quality video for you guys. Okay? Listen, I got to go. I'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.